Yo, what is going on, everybody? So today I'm going to show you all how to get OG usernames on TikTok, guys. So you're going to be able to change your username on your TikTok account to anything you want, guys, even if it's already taken. So you're going to be able to get the most OG names, and you're not going to have to use like the special characters method where you have to put in like some italicized numbers and stuff like that. You can literally take any username you want. As you guys can see in this video, I was able to get the Fire username. Literally, it says Fire. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. You can do this with any username, and this will work, guys. Make sure you leave a like, and let's get right into it. I'm going to show you all how to get OG TikTok usernames, and let's do it. Alright, guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you all how this method actually works. Show you an example of me, getting a OG username, and then I'm going to show you all how to do this. Actually install the TikTok++ app, because we are going to be using the TikTok++ app on our iOS and Android devices that will allow us to go ahead and get any OG username we want. So usually when you try to change your username on TikTok to something that's OG, like, a short name or like maybe like your own name, usually like 99% of the time it is going to be taken, guys, because there's so many accounts on TikTok and so many people have signed up already and taken all the good names. But as you guys can see, it says this username isn't available, right, when I try to get Fire. But with the TikTok++ app that I have right here, guys, as you can see, there's actually a button that's a little bit different that is not originally in the original TikTok app, guys. As you can see, it says bypass right there. And when we go ahead and tap on that bypass button, you guys are going to notice something really crazy. Watch this, right? Boom, it literally gets rid of the error that was saying like, someone else already has that name or whatever, and we tap save. And as you guys can see, I now have the Fire username on my account, guys. So that's how easy this is to do. This was all done with the TikTok++ app, and with it, you're able to get any username you want, guys. Even if you wanted to just put in like the letter A or the letter J or like whatever your initial is, you could literally put like, like SJ or whatever, like that's your initials. You could put anything you want. That's the crazy part about this, guys. And literally everyone's gonna be like, whoa, how'd you get that name? That's so sick. And you can even sell these usernames, guys, believe it or not. Like, if the name is really OG, for example, Fire, I could literally go ahead and sell this for like $500 because people actually want to spend money on to get these, OG names because they're not available. Like, they're high in demand, but they're not available anymore. But anyways, guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you all how to install this TikTok++ app, so you guys will be able to go ahead and change your username to anything OG. So first thing we have to go ahead and do is just make sure that our device that we're using is actually ready and prepared for the install and will be compatible with the TikTok++ app. Now, the way we do this is we just got to go ahead and change some settings really quick on our iOS and Android devices. So if you're on an iOS device, go ahead and open up the settings app on your iOS device. And you're going to want to go over to where it says battery. And then in battery, you guys are just going to want to make sure you have it turned on to low power mode. So as you can see, I have low power mode. You're just going to want to make sure you have that off, guys. My bad. I think I said have it on. I meant to say have it off, okay? So yes, you'll know it's off because if it's on, the battery icon is going to be like yellow color. Just make sure you guys have it off like that. So that's the first step. Now the second step is you're going to want to go over to General. And in General, you're going to want to find the background app refresh setting. And you're just going to want to go ahead and tap on it here and just make sure you have this turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data, guys, just like how I have it right here. Now, if you do not see Wi-Fi and cellular data, just choose the setting all the way at the bottom of the list, and that'll be more than enough. But that is going to be all the settings that we have to change on our iOS device. Now, if you guys aren't an Android and you also want to go ahead and get yourselves the OG TikTok usernames, you can do it. Don't worry. Like, anyone can do this. You could be on iOS or Android, like I said, but you also have to go ahead and change some settings on the Android devices. So go ahead and open up the settings app on your Android phone, and you're going to want to look for where it says battery, okay? So battery is right there. We're just going to tap on that. And then in battery, there's going to be two settings that we have to go ahead and change, guys. The first one is going to be battery saver. So we're just going to tap, oops, wrong one. We're going to go ahead and tap on battery saver. And you're just going to want to make sure you guys have that turned off. Then you're going to want to look for where it says adaptive battery and just go ahead and make sure you have that off as well. And those are going to be all the settings that we have to change on our Android phone. Now, if you guys aren't in, what was I going to say? Yeah, so those are all the settings that we have to change on iOS and Android. Now, once we've made all those changes, we are now ready to install the TikTok++ app, which I'm going to show you all how to do right now. And you'll be able to get OG TikTok usernames, guys, no matter what the name is. Now, this is a tweaked app, which means we're not going to be able to get the TikTok++ app on the App Store or the Google Play Store. So how exactly do we install this app? Well, it's pretty simple, guys. Go on over to this website called tweaklink.vip. So once again, that's tweaklink.vip. And basically this website is like a tweaked app store. It's fully web-based and free to use, but there's tons of tweaked apps and games on here. And with it, we're going to be able to install the TikTok++, guys. So come over here to the search bar and just go ahead and type in TikTok. There it is right there, guys, TikTok++. Get free followers, see stalkers, and much more features. So once we've located the, the app, or once we found it, once we typed it in, just go ahead and tap on it. Then go ahead and tap on Start Injection, or the Start Install button, or whatever, guys. Then all we have to do is just go ahead and wait for this to load. Give it about 10 to 20 seconds, and then it will fully load up and take us to the final part of the install of the app. Now, make sure you guys keep on watching until the end of the video, as there is like one last step that we have to go ahead and complete that is super important in order for this to actually finish installing. So yeah, guys, we're just going to wait for this to load. And also, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure that you do leave a like right now and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. But here we are, guys. So now it's going to load up and say, please follow and complete the instructions of all the offers below. Once completed, the download will finish. So this is the last step in order to ensure that the TikTok++ installs properly. But to get started, simply tap on one of the apps. The instructions of that specific app will pop up, and what you guys are going to want to do is just get started with them. So right now we're doing our first app, and then once you complete it, then we're going to head back to the page with all the other offers and do the rest of them. And after we do every single app, guys, we're going to be pretty much done, and we'll have the TikTok++ app installed, and we'll be good to go. So that's how easy this is to do, guys. If you have any questions, though, let me know in the comments below. And yes, you will be able to get TikTok++. Now, I'm going to leave it off at that. I don't want to do the rest of the apps, as it'll make the video kind of long. But that's how you get the OG TikTok usernames, guys. Thanks for watching, and peace out, everybody.